In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under trade association. We're going to focus on the subtopic, the Chamber of Commerce advantages and disadvantages. So we have about 17 to 19 questions to practice. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, an association to which all the commerce Nigeria are affiliated is the, so the right answer is option C, Nigeria Association of Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture. Next question. The main objective of trade association can best be described as promoting and protecting the product customers' interest, the market, common market. The right answer is option B, customers' interest. Next question. You say this acronym stands for, so the right answer is option B, Nigeria Association of Chambers of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture. Okay, next question. Trade fairs in Nigeria are organized by the Ministry of Trade fairs in Nigeria are organized by the Chamber of Commerce. Option C. Next question. One of the major functions of Chamber of Commerce is to publish books and periodicals desired by members, settle disputes that arise out of trade, promote and protect trade, industry and agriculture, advise members on regulations of other countries. Right answer is option C, to promote, protect trade, industry and agriculture. Next question. The major function of Chamber of Commerce is to promote both home and foreign trade. Yeah, that's the right answer, option A. Next question. One of the functions of this association is pooling of members at resources for long-term investment, in negotiating with labor unions in matters of wages and conditions of service, ensuring uniformity in labor matters and industrial relations, disseminating information to members on matters relating to tariff. The right answer is option D. Alright, very important. Next question. The promotion and protection of trade, industry and agriculture through trade fairs, the function of the Chamber of Commerce. Option A. Next question. It says the main motive of Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association is to assist government in achieving its objective, maximize profit, protect and promote the interests of the members, protect the interests of consumers. The right answer is option C, to protect and promote the interests of the members. Next question says the function of Chamber of Commerce include or except fixed price of goods, disseminate information, promote home and foreign trade, maintain commercial museums. The exception is option A. Okay, fixed price of goods. Next question. The function of Chamber of Commerce include or except, so this is a two question. The right answer is option D, fixed price of goods. Next question. The Chamber of Commerce is any association made up of merchants. Option B. Okay, next question says trade fairs in Nigeria are organized by the Chamber of Commerce. Option D. Next question. Organizing trade fairs in Nigeria is the responsibility of the Chamber of Commerce. Option A. Next question. The body that organizes, promotes and participates in local and foreign trade fairs is the Chamber of Commerce. Option C. See, there are various ways you can ask questions under Chamber of Commerce. Next question. A major function of Chamber of Commerce is, I think this is a particular question, is to promote both home and foreign trade. Yeah, option A, the right answer. Next question. A major function of Chamber of Commerce is to promote both home and foreign trade. Okay, next question. An objective of the Farmers Association is to improve a stable market outlet for farming produce, improve the methods of selling and advertising, ensure that the price of goods are fair and reasonable, correct the imbalance between consumer and producer. The right answer is option C, to ensure that the price of goods are fair and reasonable. Last question before we end this video, this one, it says the major function of Chamber of Commerce is to promote both home and foreign trade. Option B. So that is basically academic problems involving the Chamber of Commerce, advantages and disadvantages, a subtopic in trade association. We practice about 18 to 20 questions. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below and I should give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on JAMB board, so you'll be getting premium information ahead of the sale, listening exam like a JAMB and other exam be writing. Okay, so I will know this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.